सूरज बन चमके, चंदा बन दमके, सूरज बन चमके, चंदा बन दमके, सूरज बन चमके, चंदा बन दमके।
आरज़ू के पंख लगा के सपनों में जा पहुँचे, आरज़ू के पंख लगा के सपनों में जा पहुँचे।
एक एक धड़कन ने एक एक लम्हे पे, एक एक धड़कन ने एक एक लम्हे पे किया है देखो ऐसा कमाल। लेके हाथों में हाथ, मिलके चले हम साथ, लेके अब हाथों में हाथ सब मिलके आओ।
Gandhiji said that the soul of India lives in its villages. With 74% of Indians living in villages all over India, for any change to be relevant, it must first make a presence in the rural areas. Kisan Sanchar Limited is a mobile phone-based initiative launched by IFFCO, or the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, to harness the power of telecom to empower the rural farmer. IFFCO is a cooperative society active in providing quality fertilizers and agricultural services to India's farming community since 1967. Over the years, the cooperative evolved into a gigantic Indian multinational and set records for consistent performance in the field of production, marketing and services to farmers. Under the Kisan Sanchar Limited initiative, farmers are provided with an affordable mobile handset bundled with a mobile connection. A specially designed VAS or value-added service has been created. It broadcasts 5 free voice messages every day to each subscriber. These messages provide vital information regarding seed prices, farming techniques, weather forecasts and fertilizer availability. Dr. Surinder Dalal is one of the many agriculture development officers who is affiliated to the Agriculture Ministry. His job is to undertake extensive research and then create customized database and information which can be sent to farmers as free SMS. This database is forwarded through Kisan Sanchar Web Gateway to Kisan Vigyan Kendra. Here, all this information and tips are again scientifically verified. This information is forwarded to almost 1,000 farmers in the vicinity who have opted for this subscription.
हेलो, किसान संचार में आपका स्वागत है। मेरा नाम सुमन है।
The Kisan Sanchar Limited Gateway has a specially created call center to which farmers can call and discuss problems with trained scientists and agricultural experts.
हेलो
हाँ जी।
जी, मेरा नाम रणबीर है। मैं निडाना गांव से बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ जी, मैं आपकी किस प्रकार से मदद कर सकता हूँ?
हाँ, ऊपर से इनका जो पत्ता है वो पीला हो गया है।
This facility helps farmers to get solutions to their everyday crop-related challenges.
जी
अच्छा, पीले होके पौधा सूख रहा है आपका?
जी हाँ। तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए इसमें?
Farmers can also text their problems or send pictures in case of pests and plant diseases for further clarity.
ये आप शाम के समय
गुलाब, मोगरा, तुलसी, गेंदा।
Kisan Sanchar Limited has initiated a series of information-based television programs which are beamed from local cable operators. These programs provide vital information in simple language and clear demonstrative visual sequences. This initiative was shortlisted for the Billionth Award by the Digital Foundation for its special emphasis on the training and capacity building of farmers.
Now IFCO has tied up with Airtel to create a separate company.
These camps help in face-to-face interaction and free exchange of new innovations and tips. Large telecom companies have now stepped in. For instance, Bharti Airtel charges minimal rates for calls between IFCO members. They have also set up towers at sites provided by IFCO societies to provide quality services to farmers. Kisan Sanchar makes it a point to involve the larger rural community by holding one-to-one sessions with family members wherein they are educated about better crop storage, pest management and water conservation. Due to the wireless nature of this initiative, now Kisan Sanchar Limited has a presence in about 98% of villages throughout the country. It is already creating new business opportunities, boosting the economy and creating rural employment.
आरज़ू के पंख लगा के सपनों में जा पहुँचे, आरज़ू के पंख लगा के सपनों में जा पहुँचे।
एक एक धड़कन ने एक एक लम्हे पे किया है देखो ऐसा कमाल, लेके हाथों में हाथ मिलके चले हम साथ, लेके अब हाथों में हाथ सब मिलके आओ साथ साथ, लेके अब हाथों में हाथ सब मिलके आओ साथ साथ, लेके अब हाथों में हाथ सब मिलके आओ साथ साथ, लेके अब हाथों में हाथ सब मिलके आओ।
With a bustling leather and textiles industry, Kanpur has a GDP of $22 billion. A seemingly robust economy with a dark underbelly. According to a recent health survey conducted by the National Rural Health Mission, Kanpur has one of the highest maternal, infant and prenatal mortality rates. Death of pregnant women during childbirth or death of newborns is so common here that few report them to the authorities. India's national average in maternal mortality is 95 deaths in 1 lakh pregnancies. In Kanpur, it is 500. Experts cite a number of reasons for this crisis. Behind all these technical reasons is a cultural reality. The fact is that the social milieu of this region does not encourage women to step out of their homes. This limits their access to information, knowledge, healthcare, and medical intervention. In this scenario, a mobile innovation may prove to be a game changer. Datamation Foundation is a non-profit charitable trust that is actively engaged in designing a model through which vital information regarding reproductive and child health can directly reach pregnant and lactating women in localized Hindi through mobile phones. A vital first step was to create a team of dedicated local healthcare workers who go across different neighborhoods persuading families to register pregnant women to avail this service.
ये है कि हम लोग जो है जो मैसेज सेवा दे रहे हैं ना, तो आपके घर में अगर कोई गर्भवती महिला हो तो छुपाइएगा नहीं आप, नहीं, उसमें हम लोग जो आपको सेवाएं देते हैं उससे आपको लाभ मिलेगा। ये यहीं चल रहा है, ये आपके गांव में चल रहा है। तो अगर कोई गर्भवती होती है तो उसको हम लोग मैसेज के द्वारा जानकारी देते हैं। ठीक?
The next important step is to reach out to the expecting mother and persuade her to register herself for this service.
नमस्ते।
इसमें आपका हम रजिस्ट्रेशन कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। इसमें आपके जो आपका महीना चल रहा है, जितने दिन का गर्भ आपके पेट में आ गया है, उसके सटीक डेट आप हमको बता दीजिए, वो हम फार्म आपका भरेंगे। तो आपकी उसी डेट के इस तरह से हम लोग मैसेज आपको SMS भेजेंगे, सटीक मैसेज आपके आएंगे कि आपका कौन सा महीना कब चल रहा है, आपका कौन सा महीना कब चल रहा है, आपको कब किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, उस तरह से सटीक मैसेज हम लोग भेजेंगे। इसलिए आप दिमाग से जो भी बताइए तो कंफर्म करके मंथली बताइए कि हमारा तीसरा चौथा गर्भ कौन सा महीना चल रहा है।
आपका नाम
ठीक
क्या?
है?
सूरज
आपके पति का नाम? उमेश सर।
चमके चंदा बन दमके
Information, knowledge, and lots of empathy are required before women agree to become a part of this expanding circle of care.
केंद्र पे जाइएगा, अपना पंजीकृत कराइएगा, फिर वहाँ से पोषाहार जो मिलता है पूरे 3 महीने का और आयरन की गोलियाँ मिलती हैं, तो उसको आपको खाने के मतलब विधि भी बताएंगे और वहाँ पे अपना नाम भरा दीजिएगा।
Each pregnant woman is registered manually, and her details are recorded on the content management system.
आरज़ू के पंख लगा के सपनों
Each registered user receives 2 SMS alerts every day for the entire duration of pregnancy. This mobile-based healthcare project has been found to directly influence the understanding of maternal health issues among pregnant women.
गली गली में दौड़ लगाते तालाबों में गोते खाते।
As each member begins to experience the positive impact of the initiative, she is persuaded to visit the local
अभी
Anganwadi,
हमारे मोबाइल पे मैसेज आया था कि आशा दीदी से जाके अपना पंजीकरण।
where trained health workers use prefabricated toolkits to educate them about various health-related issues like nutrition, vaccination, childbirth, and postnatal care.
और हरी सब्जियां इत्यादि लेनी है।
With each registered user completing a risk-free pregnancy and each newborn growing into a healthy child, this mobile-based intervention is doing exactly what innovations are supposed to do: leap across barriers and create a difference.
गली गली में दौड़ लगाते तालाबों में गोते खाते।
आशाओं के दीप जलाए आएंगी खुशियाँ गुनगुनाते। गली गली में दौड़ लगाते तालाबों में गोते खाते। आशाओं के दीप जलाए आएंगी खुशियाँ गुनगुनाते।
This is one of the smallest temples in Govindpuri, a congested colony in Delhi's southwest suburbs. It's early morning, a time when usually most people are busy rushing to school or college, to their workplaces, or getting things ready at home. But this temple continues to see a stream of worshippers through the day. Part of the reason could possibly be that, like many other small colonies in Delhi, Govindpuri too is in the grip of tuberculosis, an infectious disease that is threatening to reach epidemic levels. Chanda is afflicted by TB. Like all other TB patients, Chanda has been put on DOTS, or directly observed treatment short course, which can achieve substantial success in combating TB if its different components are rigorously followed. Under the DOTS system, a regular and consistent dose of the TB drug has to be given as part of a standardized treatment regimen. If the course of antibiotics is interrupted, the TB bacterium rebounds with added vigor and frequently mutates into a multi-drug resistant form, which is very difficult to treat. In fact, the treatment and prognosis of multi-drug resistant TB is much like that of cancer. It even has a mortality rate of up to 80%. Health workers say that TB patients become inconsistent with taking drugs for a number of reasons. Patients may feel better and halt their antibiotic course. Patients may forget to take their medication from time to time. Some patients are reluctant to take the medication because it can have uncomfortable side effects. With mobile-enabled e-dots, Operation Asha takes the DOTS strategy directly to the doorsteps of the disadvantaged by establishing treatment centers within the community, so that patients can receive medicine conveniently, without wasting time or money, and without losing wages. One of the centers inside Delhi's sprawling Tughlakabad slum is placed in a temple. Shammo Khan, a counsellor with Operation Asha, personally administers medicine to each patient. She also documents their biometric records. Details of the day's visits are sent via SMS to an online server. When tabulated, this data reveals the details of the defaulting patients. Shammo is then sent an SMS with the names and medical intervention required by the various patients who have missed their doses. She visits them within 72 hours and administers them their medicines. Patients are again educated about the dangers of defaulting. Information about all the patients who have missed their drug therapy is sent via SMS to the concerned health worker of the area. This model is replicated at all places where e-dots is active.
हेलो हाँ बीजी सर ऐसा है कि एक पेशेंट है रामनी मंडल के नाम से
Tabulation of counsellor Rekha Sharma's records show that one patient, Ramni Mandal, had been missing his TB drug dose. She alerts Vijay, the program manager at the Central Area Office of Operation Asha, and both set out to meet the patient.
हाँ बिल्कुल मैं भी आपके साथ में जाके पता करता हूँ आखिर में ये दवाई क्यों नहीं खा रहे हैं।
गली गली में दौड़ लगाते तालाबों में होते गाते आशाओं के दीप जलाए आएंगी खुशियाँ गुनगुनाते बाहें खोल बंधन तोड़ दिल से दिल को मिलाए बाहें खोल बंधन तोड़ दिल से दिल को मिलाए हारेगा सिर्फ अंधेरा बाकी हर ओर है जीत के जश्न का निशान।
Ramni Mandal is a daily wager. He runs a small street-side pawn shop. In the current season, he has already defaulted 2 times because he says he finds it very difficult to leave his cart unprotected and come for medicine.
काम पे बिजी था गरीब आदमी काम करने में काम अगर नहीं करूँगा तो हमारा परिवार कैसे जिएगा इसलिए हमने आने नहीं पाया।
In any other circumstance, his drug default would have gone undetected. But because of the active e-dots system in the colony, his case was quickly identified. The health workers educated him about the dangers of developing drug-resistant tuberculosis and made sure he takes the requisite dose.
ठीक है अभी आप ये दवाई खा लीजिए।
In this mobile-based model, local community members are trained to treat tuberculosis through e-dots and to monitor each patient through a biometric system.
फिंगरप्रिंट रीडर इसमें उंगली अभी आप लोग को दिखाएंगे किस तरह से करते हैं इसमें उंगली दबाई जाती है।
It is now well established that community members are more effective counselors because they are better placed to track and eliminate drug default.
इस सिस्टम में हम हर किसी को एंट्री या रिकॉर्ड जो है उसका रखते हैं, चाहे वो हमारा काउंसलर हो या हमारा प्रोग्राम मैनेजर हो, हमारे विजिटर्स हो और हमारे।
It also creates increased livelihood options, better awareness, and a sense of community bonding and ownership of the anti-TB project.
कितने मरीज दवा खा चुके हैं, कितने मरीज।
Operation Asha uses over 85% of their funds for social mobilization, delivery of treatment, and for carrying out intensive educational campaigns. Mobile programming has become a new tool to stop new cases of multi-drug resistant TB and implement DOTS with rigorous efficiency. In just one region in South Delhi, the TB detection rate has improved by 78%. Zardozi, the magnificent metallic embellishment dating back to ancient times. The art and the technique remain the same, but craftsmen who were earlier celebrated for their fine creations live in penury. Many are compelled to migrate from one city to another in search of work. This is the story of many, including Shankar Singh. Whatever he saved, he used to hide in a box under his bed. But twice within a month, his savings were stolen by his roommates. One day, he came to know about Mini Savings Bank Account, a joint initiative of Echo India Financial Services and the State Bank of India.
सूरज बन चमके चंदा बन दमके
He approached the customer service point, which happened to be the ration shop in his lane. All he needed was a mobile phone and an identity proof. The shop owner explained to him that all transactions will be conducted by simply dialing, without the hassles of even composing an SMS. With one of the lowest bank account penetration, India has one of the largest financially excluded poor populations in the world. But rising mobile phone usage has made M-banking an innovative option to provide financial empowerment to all. India has attained near universal telecom access with one of the lowest cost retail distribution networks. This can be leveraged to keep transaction costs very low. Among many M-banking initiatives currently underway, Echo, a startup company, got together with State Bank of India to launch the SBI Mini Savings Bank Account. Shankar Singh is now a bank account holder. He keeps putting his daily savings into a deposit by a process which is as simple as getting a talk time recharged on his mobile.
आरज़ू के पंख लगा के सपनों में
Earlier, Shankar Singh had to take off from work and spend the day at the bank or at the post office trying to send a money order. It meant losing his precious daily wages. But now, he is able to transfer his savings to his family in Bihar whenever required. This story is replicated in many homes in Delhi, Bihar, and Chhattisgarh, where this scheme has already been activated. For instance, thousands of children from these states live away from their family to study. Malti lives in Delhi with her relatives.
हेलो
She is studying in high school and will soon be sitting for her board exams. Earlier, she had to personally visit the bank to collect cash. Now, she is able to get her pocket allowance and her school fees simply by dialing. All is easy, fast and risk-free. In this system, there's no client application, no JavaScript or GPRS connectivity required to operate an account. Customers can deposit and withdraw cash, remit money safely, instantaneously and conveniently, all from their mobile phones. Most importantly, in this project, the cost of transaction has been lowered to a point where financial service providers can profitably support small ticket transactions. Simply Bank's creators decided to partner with a network of agents which included chemists, grocers and airtime vendors situated within different localities. This helped Simply Bank to reach the largest number of people in their target group. Yogesh Kumar runs a bike repair shop in Selampur. He mans his shop alone without help from other family members or employees. For him, leaving the shop unmanned is impossible, and shutting the shop to go to the bank affects his earnings. Now, with the Simply Bank outlet in his locality, bank work like deposits and withdrawals has become easy. According to banking and financial experts, there will be almost 730 million potential mobile users by 2013. M-Banking could be a great way of providing banking services to lower income groups living in urban, semi-urban and rural India.
चलो चलें सब मिलके खेल नया एक खेलें हाथ से हाथ मिलाकर हर मुश्किल को झेलें चलो चलें सब मिलके खेल नया एक खेलें हाथ से हाथ मिलाकर हर मुश्किल को झेलें चलो चलें सब मिलके नया एक खेले हाथ से हाथ मिलाकर हर मुश्किल को झेले बाहें खोल बंधन तोड़ एक टीम बन जाए बाहें खोल बंधन तोड़ एक टीम बन जाए जो हो जीतने को तैयार
India is one of the world's largest producers of wheat. Each year's harvest brings in over 80 million tons of grain. Most of the harvest is purchased by the government so that it can be distributed to the poor through the public distribution system. The mission is to provide essential food items to all citizens at minimum rates. The mission clearly failed because instead the public distribution system became synonymous with hoarding. For the poor, getting a ration card is a huge challenge. Even those daily wagers who do have a ration card are compelled to wait endlessly for their share of rations. The irony of malnutrition, nestled with abundance, seemed would go on forever. But then, miracles are known to happen without big announcements. Placed at the heart of India, yet one of the most forgotten states, Chhattisgarh, put the entire might of its state machinery behind the PDS to fulfill a basic demand of the common man, right to food security. One of the first steps was to track the movement of around 600 vehicles carrying subsidized food grains across 18 districts of the state by using a combination of global positioning system and mobile telephone devices. A web and mobile-based application tracks the trucks as well as the amount of food grains that is being procured, transported, and received at different points of the journey. All this is placed on the web and circulated through an SMS to whoever wishes to be kept in the loop. In case there is an unscheduled stopover, the driver's mobile begins to buzz with queries.
हेलो, हाँ भैया मैं आ रहा हूँ, रास्ते में गाड़ी खराब हो गई थी, मैं आपके दुकान तुरंत पहुँच रहा हूँ, थोड़ी देर में पहुँच रहा हूँ.
Instead of the old system where private dealers lifted their quotas from the nearest godown, now state agencies have created a technology-bolstered doorstep delivery of tabulated amounts of PDS grain to all ration shops. Now rations are delivered to the shop in the village, so it is hard for dealers to siphon off any grain. Life in most Chhattisgarh villages now runs to the sound of the mobile beep. An alert on the mobile tells people when the ration stocks reach the PDS shop, and everyone gets set to collect their monthly rations. Deprivatization of the ration shops is part of the reform. Now, Gram Panchayats and community self-help groups are made in charge of the ration shops, but with a small technological twist. All 10,400 fair price shops are tabulated in terms of village, ward, and detailed individual ration card holders along with their names and type of ration card. This information is fed into the main server to be put on the web. Fair price shop owners send out SMS alerts providing all allotment details to ration card holders. Now these SMS alerts inform interested citizens about grain movements, available supplies, sales, timelines. And if there is a problem, people can SMS their grievances to centrally managed active helplines. The newly launched Smart Card is biometric, so it ensures that bogus demand is automatically turned down. It allows people to get their grains from any shop, which is very helpful to migrant laborers. This Omnibus card allows users to collect their monthly rations, save, and use their balanced food amount when they need, have all the information sent to them on their mobiles, and even use this card for health-related facilities at government centers.
चलो चले सब मिलके खेल नया एक खेले हाथ से हाथ मिलाकर हर मुश्किल को झेले बाहें खोल बंधन तोड़ एक टीम बन जाए बाहें खोल बंधन तोड़ एक टीम बन जाए जो हो जीतने को तैयार
400 kilometers from Delhi, a small village, Tilonia. There is no airport and only a few trains stop here. But Tilonia is internationally known as the cradle of rural research and resurgence through social reform. Barefoot College has made a name for itself by helping local people find solutions from within the community.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है जोखिम चाचा और मैं बैरफुट कॉलेज तिलोनिया में काम करता हूं और ग्रामीण विकास और उनके समाधान की बातें होती है.
Jokhim Chacha, a puppet character, is as popular as a Bollywood star here. As the sun dips, Chacha is at it again, holding up a mirror to the society and also delivering another message of hope.
तो कम्युनिटी रेडियो और मोबाइल ने किस तरीके से गांव-गांव और ढाणी-ढाणी को जोड़ा है और किस तरीके से दुनिया को जोड़ने में अपनी भूमिका निभा रहा है, तो सुनिए गीत मोबाइल।
मोबाइल को खेल दुनिया में हो जो मेल, मोबाइल को खेल दुनिया में हो जो मेल, मोबाइल बात करावे रे, मोबाइल बात करावे रे, मोबाइल गीत सुनावे रे, मोबाइल गीत सुनावे रे। मोबाइल को खेल दुनिया में हो जो मेल, अरे मोबाइल को खेल दुनिया में हो जो मेल, मोबाइल दिल में बतावे रे, मोबाइल दिल में बतावे रे।
Joachim Chacha's newfound passion for mobile phones is not a mere consumerist fad. It has a lot to do with how mobile-based innovations combined with Telonia's community radio have managed to bring in a whole new range of services to people here.
वो जो गीत सुन रहे हो वो गीत है अपने तिलोनिया गांव में जो कैंपस में जो महिलाओं काम करे मीनाबाई।
The Telonia Community Radio Station was started in 2009. Its frequency range is effective over a 15-kilometer radius, covering a cluster of 30 villages and more than 50,000 people. The community radio's most popular programs carry local folk music and information about local events. Most people receive the community radio beam on inexpensive sets, which are manufactured by the women at a workshop within the village. There is also a significant ownership of mobile phones in the village.
हेलो
हेलो तिलोनिया रेडियो स्टेशन।
हाँ, मैं कम्युनिटी रेडियो तिलोनिया से रामनिवास।
एक आप गाना सुनाओ साहब, घूमर वाला।
हाँ जरूर, क्यों नहीं।
Most phones come with FM radio receivers, and that is how a lot of people now listen to their favorite programs beamed by the community radio stations. Since the radio station has a database of mobile number for a phone-in program, they can now directly connect with their audience. The community radio cum mobile phone uses voice services, texting, and FM streaming to create a committed audience. In this scenario, the audience virtually takes control of the station's day-to-day operations and programming and feels a strong sense of ownership. Take for instance how all local music programs have become more and more interactive, much of them directly driven by audience choices.
हेलो,
हाँ मैं रामनिवास बोल रहा हूँ तिलोनिया कम्युनिटी रेडियो से। में तो बेटा जा रहा पर धरनू देवा, रैली निकाला।
Advocacy and information-based programs beamed from the community radio have a huge impact on listeners. Here at Telonia, a variety of news, opinion, and discussion programs keep buzzing up the village. Banking, loans, healthcare, job cards, government policies, everything is material for news bulletins. When a combined group of the local panchayat and women's self-help group met to discuss the demand for old age pension, the community radio reporter was at hand to record and beam this in a special bulletin. All those who could not personally attend the function could get to know what happened and also sent in their voice vote on the issue through SMS. This combined referendum was then forwarded to the elected representatives for the government's consideration. Barefoot College has long promoted the philosophy of placing training, technology, and skills in the hands of village people. Bhavri Devi had never been to school. She used to work in the fields and also worked as a village midwife to eke out a living. Now in her 50s, she has been trained to undertake even complex dental procedures like tooth extraction. Patients from far-off villages send her their queries via voice, SMS and photo attachments.
मैं गौरी बोल रही हूँ। आप?
हाँ, मैं रामनिवास बोल रही हूँ तिलोनिया कम्युनिटी रेडियो से।
अच्छा, आपको दांतों की जानकारी? अभी आप 5 मिनट रुक जाइए, मैं थोड़ा एक पेशेंट देख रही हूँ, फिर मैं आपसे बात करूँगी।
हाँ, बात तो खैर है, जरूर।
She also conducts a radio show in which she advises people on dental hygiene and homegrown solutions for common dental problems. At this workshop, women from different parts of the world are learning to make useful appliances like solar lights and simple radios, which can avail them of good livelihood opportunities. Here too, mobile and community radio combo creates special tech shows that help in capacity building and creating a platform for women to learn and increase livelihood opportunities. With 225 million women with mobile phones, this modern-day communication tool represents the strongest opportunity to address women who suffer from inequality and distinct health, education and economic needs. Here at Tilonia, mobiles are increasingly used to make the community radio more immediate and more interactive. Mobiles help the audience to make the radio an apt platform, register complaints, to air contrarian views and to lodge grievances against the local government. The result is that local authorities are compelled to become more alert, responsive and even deliver benefits they never used to. Barefoot is changing with the times and with technology. Mobile application is making it possible to create long-distance walking, talking colleges instead of physical structures. Here at a rehearsal, young children are seeing how they could leap across the digital divide through a push of a button. Certainly, a season to celebrate hope.
उम्मीदों की मशाल जलाए, अंधेरे को रौंदते जाए।